Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 22nd, 2024, and we've got a lineup of intriguing stories from the world of technology, artificial intelligence, and automotive innovation. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's kick things off with Tesla's Cybertruck, which has hit another bump in the road. The much-anticipated range extender, designed to boost the vehicle's mileage, is facing delays. Initially, the tri-motor version promised over 500 miles, but now starts at $100,000 with a reduced range of 320 miles. The range extender was supposed to enhance the dual-motor version from 340 to over 470 miles, but Tesla has revised this to 445-plus miles, a 25-mile reduction. Production of this extender has been postponed to mid-2025, more than a year after the first Cybertrucks roll out. Priced at $16,000, this delay has sparked criticism over pricing and range discrepancies, with analysts suggesting Tesla might need to consider discounts or referral programs to boost future sales. In legal news, Alcon Entertainment, the producer behind Blade Runner 2049, has filed a lawsuit against Tesla and Warner Bros. Discovery. The suit alleges unauthorized use of AI-generated images from the film to promote Tesla's new robotaxi. During a recent event, visuals reminiscent of Blade Runner 2049 were used. Despite Alcon's refusal to allow such imagery, the lawsuit accuses Tesla of copyright infringement and false endorsement, seeking damages and a halt to further distribution of the materials. This case underscores the growing tension between the entertainment industry and tech companies over AI and intellectual property rights. Shifting gears to cybersecurity, Dan O'Dowd, founder of Green Hills Software, is in the spotlight for providing Donald Trump with an unhackable communications system. Known for his secure military-grade code, O'Dowd's claims have been met with skepticism from security experts. Beyond cybersecurity, O'Dowd is a vocal critic of Tesla's full self-driving technology, which he deems unsafe. Through his Dawn project, he highlights over 40 fatalities linked to Tesla's self-driving cars and advocates for stricter regulations. Despite his efforts, Tesla has not publicly addressed his criticisms. In the realm of electric vehicles, Ford has issued a warning to its EV customers about using Tesla's North American charging standard adapters. A potential issue could lead to slower charging or damage to the vehicle's port. Ford plans to send replacement adapters free of charge, with shipments starting the week of October 28, 2024. This proactive measure aims to maintain customer satisfaction and prevent vehicle damage as EV charging networks expand. Finally, in robotics, China's Robot Era has unveiled the Star 1, a humanoid robot that has set a new speed record of 8 miles per hour. This makes it the fastest humanoid robot, surpassing Tesla's Optimus and Boston Dynamics' Atlas. Standing 5.6 feet tall and weighing 143 pounds, Star 1 showcases agility and durability across various terrains. Its high-torque motors and advanced AI algorithms enable swift movements, marking a significant advancement in robotic technology. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories as fascinating as we did. Remember, you can find links to all the stories in the episode notes. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of technology and innovation. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.